Good morning. This is your stats sensei, Mr. Spensei, and this is a chi-square test of independence exit ticket, lost cause. All right, use the lost cause to answer the question below. How many samples are there? List the variables and levels of each. When we read our lost cause, the Colorado Rocky Mountain Rescue Service wishes to study the behavior of lost hikers. If more were known about the direction in which lost hikers tend to walk, then better search strategies could be devised. 200 hikers selected at random. So there's one sample. Do we have any others? From the more than 200,000 applying for hiking permits are asked whether they'd head uphill, downhill, or remain in the same place. That's my population. If they became lost. Well, that looks like this is just one sample. And by the way, if it's a test of independence, it'll only be one sample. So we have one sample of 200. All right. Um, each hiker is classified into whether or not he or she is an experienced hiker. So we have hiker classification. And we have direction, which has three different places we could go in. So, all right, so we have one sample, two variables. The first variable is hiker class. And it happens to have two levels. And those two levels are novice or experienced. The other variable is direction. And it has one, two, three levels. And they are uphill, downhill, all the around the hill. I mean, and then remain, and I'm just gonna call it remain. All right. So we had one sample, two variables. Our two variables were hiker class and direction. Hiker class had two levels, novice or experienced. Direction had three levels, uphill, downhill, or remain in same place. All right. I appreciate you watching. I sure hope this helped. Hope to see you on the next one.